Home Remedies presents How I Lose Weight Fast and Treat Constipation in 1 week. Lose belly fat in 1 week. If you are looking to switch your daily tea with something more reviving, we recommend this amazing orange peel tea. Instead of throwing away those healthy organic skin in the dustbin, you can make a better use. Before going to the recipe on how to make the tea, let's first know how it can enhance your health effortlessly. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Improves digestion. Eating junk and greasy, oily food all day long can increase your cholesterol levels, besides disturbing your digestion. If you suffer from digestive issues such as constipation, this tea can assist you in getting rid of it. Regulated blood sugar levels. Orange peels help avert spikes or fall in your levels of blood sugar, which is credited to the presence of pectin. Aids in weight loss. Orange peel is rich in fiber, which makes it a great supplement for weight loss. Fiber helps to keep the hunger pangs at bay and thereby aids weight loss. Great fat burner. Orange peels are rich in vitamin C, which may promote fat burn. Research also suggests that orange peel extracts have anti-obesity properties. Improves lungs congestion. Orange peel helps with congestion and cleanse the lungs. Vitamin C in the peel boosts immunity and prevent lung infections. Enhanced immunity also prevents ailments like cold and flu. How to make the tea. Ingredients: 2 to 3 orange peel pieces. You can either use fresh orange peels or dried orange peels to make your tea. 1½ cup water, quarter cinnamon sticks, sweetener of your choice. Steps: heat water and allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add orange peels, close the heat and cover with the lid. Once the water changes its color, add the cinnamon stick and simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. Add sweetener of your choice and strain in a cup. Having a cup of this early in the morning and also before going on a walk or working out will increase your metabolism, assisting your weight loss journey. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.